Welcome to YS Online. I am Dice Sensei, and if you're a beginner looking to learn Japanese and pass the JLPT exam, JFT A2 exam, and all the others, this channel is for you. In our previous lessons, we learned 3 common uses of the verb teimasu form. One way is to describe the present actions like something that you're doing right now. Another way is you can also use verb teimasu to describe a state or something that you have been doing. The third way is when you want to describe a habitual action over time. Check out the links in the upper right side of this screen or below for a refresher on these. This lesson, we're going to continue learning the other functions of the te form, mainly how to connect sentences with verbs and nouns. So magdudugtong tayo ng sentences gamit ang verbs and nouns. Pay attention and take notes because I have an activity for you at the end. Feel free to pause or rewind a bit if you need some clarifications. Alright, here we go. Alright, so for our lesson today, pag-aaralan natin ang isa sa mga basic functions ng te form, which is to connect sentences. So first off, yung pattern na pag-aaralan natin ngayon is verb 1, te, verb 2, te, verb 3. Ginagamit ang pattern na ito para gumawa ng mas mahabang sentences. So sa pattern na ito, malalaman natin ang tense ng sentence natin sa huling verb na babanggitin. So that's verb 3. So kung present, past, future tense, or negative or affirmative, sa last verb natin makikita. You can make a long sentence if gusto mong sabihin ang lahat ng ginawa or ginagawa natin araw-araw ayon sa pagkakasunod-sunod ng pangyayari. So, bago tayo gumawa ng sample sentences, let's go to our vocabulary section in our notebooks para isulat ang mga susunod na vocab words. Ready? So, to wake up in Japanese is okimasu. Okimasu. Okay? Jogging is jogging wo shimasu. Jogging wo shimasu. To take a shower is シャワーを浴びます。シャワーを浴びます。シャワーを浴びます。To eat is 食べます。食べます。Breakfast is 朝ごはん。朝ごはん。And every morning is 毎朝。毎朝. Okay, so yun muna for now. Ngayon naman, let's put these together in a sentence. Halimbawa, we want to say, tuwing umaga, nagigising ako ng 6 a.m., nagja-jogging ako, naliligo ako, tapos kumakain ako ng breakfast. Marami akong ginagawa, di ba? Why? Because I'm Superman. Okay, so to wake up, to jog, to shower, then eat breakfast. That's 4 things, right? Paano kaya natin sasabihin in Japanese in one sentence lang? Gaya ng nasa pattern kanina, kailangan natin i-conjugate ang verb in te form except for the last verb na babanggitin natin. Let's take a look. We start first with the time expression, then yung pagkakasunod-sunod ang action. So we have may asa, 6 ni. Okite. So yun yung unang verb te natin dito. Then we say the next action verbs in the te form. Jogging wo shite. Then shower wo abite. And lastly, ang huling action natin which is asagohan wo tabemasu. So the full sentence is 毎朝6時に起きてジョギングをしてシャワーを浴びて朝ごはんを食べます。Madali lang, di ba? Kung mapapansin ninyo, yung last verb natin ay naka-masu form. Ibig sabihin, ang tense ng sentence natin ay present or future tense. And also, gumagamit tayo ng time expression na may asa. Kaya naka-masu form ito. Feel free to rewind and pause kung kailangan ninyong balikan. It's not this simple this time. Now, paano naman kung gagawin nating past tense ang sentence natin? There's no past tense for the te form, kaya naman papalitan natin ng mashita ang huling verb sa sentence instead of masu. Pwede rin tayong gumamit ng past time expression. Let's say gawin nating yesterday morning, I woke up at 6 a.m., went jogging, showered, and then ate breakfast. Yesterday morning is kesa. So, papalitan natin dito yung time expression. May asa sa sentence natin kanina, di ba? Now, our sentence is going to be kesa 6時に起きて、ジョギングをして、シャワーを浴びて、朝ごはんを食べました。Let's try another example. Let's say I will go to Starbucks, drink coffee, meet a friend, and go home. This time, may gagawin pa lang tayo to into the future. So, future tense ang gagamitin natin. Sundan lang natin ang pattern and conjugate the verbs in te form. So, for this sentence, we have Starbucksに行って、コーヒーを飲んで、友達に会って帰ります。So, Starbucks に行って is the place that I am going to. コーヒーを飲んで is the action of drinking coffee. 友達に会って帰ります is the act of meeting a friend, and 帰ります is to go home. Again, that's Starbucks に行ってコーヒーを飲んで友達に会って帰ります。Kung nangyari siya sa past, palitan lang ulit ang last verb natin, which is kaerimasu. So we're gonna drop masu and we're gonna change it to mashita instead. So bali magiging kaerimashita instead of kaerimasu. So this is what our sentence looked like. Starbucks に行ってコーヒーを飲んで友達に会ってそれから帰りました。So, halimbawa, tinanong tayo tungkol sa ginawa natin kahapon or nung nakaraan. Pwede na natin gamitin ang pattern na ito sa pagsagot sa mga tanong tulad ng, for example, Kino nani wo shimashita ka? Kino nani wo shimashita ka? What did you do yesterday? So, we could answer something like, Kino, Starbucks に行って、コーヒーを飲んで、友達に会って、それから帰りました。Now, we can also use this to answer the question pattern, how do you verb? We use the phrase, どうやって verb ますか? どうやって verb ますか? Si どうやって ay ginagamit siya when asking someone the way or how to do something. Halimbawa, gusto mong tanungin kung paano pumunta ng train station. Tandaan nyo guys, kasi sa Japanese, madalas kayong gagamit ng train. Okay, so our question is, Eki e どうやって行きますか? Alright, so kanina we joined two or more verbs together to make sentences using the te form. This time, we're going to connect sentences with nouns instead of verbs. When joining sentences using nouns, instead of saying noun desu, we're going to change this to noun de, noun. Halimbawa, gusto kong sabihin na my girlfriend is Japanese. And my girlfriend is a teacher. Paano natin pagsasamahin ang dalawang sentence na ito? So sa Japanese, diba? My girlfriend is Japanese is 私の彼女は日本人です. And my girlfriend is a teacher is 私の彼女は先生です. Para pagsamahin ang dalawang sentence na ito, we will change the this to de sa unang sentence natin. So, 私の彼女は日本人で, then idudugtog na natin ang sensei des. Tatanggalin na din natin yung watashi no kanojo wa sa second sentence. So, our two sentences combined becomes watashi no kanojo wa nihonjin de sensei desu. Watashi no kanojo wa nihonjin de sensei desu. Same process pa rin kahit na may idadagdag pa tayo sa sentence natin hanggang sa humaba ito. This pattern can be used not only for connecting sentences relating to the same topic, but also sentences with different topics. For example, my father is Japanese and my mother is Filipina. Gaya ng ginawa natin kanina, palitan natin ang desu ng de sa unang sentence natin. My father is Japanese. So, instead of chichi wa nihonjin desu, magiging chichi wa nihonjin de. And then, idudugtog natin ang my mother is Filipina. Haha wa Filipinjin desu. So, bali in total, that's chichi wa nihonjin de, haha wa Filipinjin desu. Chichi wa nihonjin de, haha wa Filipinjin desu. Okay, so it's time for you to make your own sentences of the verb 1, verb 2, verb 3 pattern using the te form. Try to answer these two question sentences and translate these on your own. So, first one, 今晩何をしますか? And the second one, 家からモールまでどうやって行きますか? Write your answers in the comment section below. And that's it for us today. For YS Online, my name is Dice. Ja, mata ne. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who might be interested to learn more about the Japanese language. For all full YS Online members out there, we have quizzes and other review materials for you to go through para ma-absorb nyo ang natutunan natin sa mga lessons natin dito. So, be sure to take them. If you're interested in becoming a full member of our online program, reach out to us at www.ysnlc.com. I'll see you guys next time.